How to make all TikTok videos private. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to make all TikTok videos private. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So what you want to do is first of all open your TikTok application and log in. And next, you want to click on the profile from the bottom of the page. Then you want to go ahead and with the video. Now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that this video is private. Alright, so what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to click open this up, click on the three dot icon, swipe all the way to the right, and then you have these privacy settings. After you click on the privacy settings, then you could see who can watch this video. So select only me or only you, and this is how you'll make all TikTok videos private. So you could do the same thing with the rest of the other videos. So that's all. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.